Joker Effects is a visual communication and display company. We wanted to bond some different materials together, and this standard industry was saying, well, you use these products. We actually had product failure at the beginning. We got introduced to LOCTITE, we did some experiments with it, and we were able to make our solution for the problem we had at that time.
When bonding acrylic to aluminum, we like to use the 4090 on our outdoor brochure holders. It's much faster, doesn't frost, and it can withstand the outside elements.
We used to be at literally a 6-week turnaround, and LOCTITE has actually turned it around to where we can actually produce product within 24 hours. With LOCTITE providing us more methods and capabilities to build, now we are able to expand our designs and look at different techniques. We can get more out the door faster, and obviously that helps us grow and increase our business. It's pretty safe to say that LOCTITE has enabled us to become the company that we are today.